Hey everyone, so before this video gets started, if you're an Uber driver or a Lyft driver or a gig worker and you want to get guaranteed pay every single time you go out and drive, there's this new app called Solo, and when you use the link below to sign up, they're actually just going to give you $10 simply for trying out the app, totally for free, anywhere in the country. It's free to sign up, and you can get access to mileage tracking, expense tracking, help with your taxes. This awesome app Solo, you can download it right now, get 10 bucks, and again, get access to guaranteed pay. Let's get started with the video. This is how to make $70 per hour with Lyft.
Wow, that's a lot of money.
Yeah. Let's pull up the chat really quick so we can give a few shout outs to our amazing viewers. Do you want to give a few shout outs here?
Yeah. Hey, Cheeky Chops.
Now I can buy the Lambo.
Name from all the other live streams.
Wait, what?
I recognize the name from all the other live streams.
Oh, so he's a top viewer?
Yeah.
He's a top G?
Yeah.
Well, he said Izzy is gangster. He commented that.
He said Harry... Harry, no.
Don't say that. Don't say that. Gotta keep it PG here, guys.
Yeah, that's inappropriate.
John Killerin says thumbs up. Yeah, guys, please, if you're watching this right now and you haven't donated to a charity in a while, you need some good karma, hit the thumbs up button. It helps us out and it'll give you guys some good karma too. Hello, Dylan. Good to see you, sir. Hello, YouTuber in the making. Good to see you too. What's up, All Things That Matters? What are All Things That Matters? Okay, do you want to read this segment that we have here with how to make, this is how to make 70 bucks an hour with Lyft, my friends. You want to read that?
Yeah, so it looks like this person made $1,600 in the week, this past week, the December 5th to the 11th.
Yeah, this is in our Uber Facebook group.
Yeah. So they did 61 rides, which if you're driving every day, that's what, an average of like 8 rides a day.
Yep, 8 rides a day. Just about.
That's not bad.
That's not bad at all. You can even see.
That's not very much.
Yeah, I mean, 8 rides a day, that might take you 4 hours, 4 hours.
And they did 24 hours. That was their booked time. So if you're driving every day, yeah, that's like 3 hours a day.
Yeah, look how many, guys, if you're not in our Facebook group, people share tip-top secrets in our Facebook group. Look at how active our group is. There's 35 reactions to that, 69 comments. People are, people spread the love. We're all about sharing tips and secrets. That's why you make sure you subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on stuff like this. Because there are, a lot of people who say, oh yeah, you can't really make that much with Uber, blah, blah, blah. But at the same time, there are people out there, when you use our tips and strategies, they're making 70 bucks an hour.
Yeah.
That's not bad at all.
That's pretty crazy.
Yeah, it's incredible. So Cosmin the Investor Me says, holiday season and $70 an hour weeks are back. Merry Christmas. And what?
Aren't they, don't they drive Lyft Black or whatever?
I believe this guy drives Lyft XL.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. He said, where at? SoCal.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, also, guys, if you're doing delivery, any of those delivery apps, right now is a really good time to put in a lot more hours, because of the holiday season, a lot of people are ordering things Amazon Flex is a good one.
Yeah.
So yeah, it's just a good way if you're trying to make extra money before the holidays.
Oh yeah.